Omo Joe, a lot dey happen for this country now. Things don't go up, everything just dey cost. Omo, see beans wey I dey cook with 500 before. Now beans now almost 2,000 naira dey take cook that 500 naira beans.
No be juju.
Yes, so top things don bad now. Gone. I don't know as people dey manage survive. Omo, as I dey like this, I just dey find another extra work wey I go dey do for side. Me too, Joe. As I dey like this now, I no get time for any babe or anything. No big front and back. Fashion against me shall prosper this year now. As I dey like this now, move.
70 years old man.
Hey, oh boy, see that fine girl. Bless her, go talk to that girl. Come, Tom. But you just talk say no front and back. Fashion against you shall prosper. This one already prosper already now. If you want to go follow and talk, you know how to go ahead now. My friend, no worry about that one. Just relax. Just watch me. Tom, how far now? Where you dey go now? You try just the waka come out. You don't start again, oh. Hello, good evening, beautiful lady. How are you doing? I noticed I've not really seen you in this area before. Are you here to buy something?
Are you playing?
Good evening, oh. I just come check one of my friend for this side. Now, share I dey wait for right now.
Oh, that's alright, that's alright. Well, my name is Mr. Tom. I stay in this neighborhood. This is my area. I'm the chairman of this area.
Oh, that's lovely. He must be a big man, oh.
Oh, don't mention it, My God. I don't know if there's any way we can, hook up later, get to hang out. I would really like to get to know you, my dear.
No problem, Mr. Tom. I wouldn't mind seeing you later. But for now, I'm really busy.
Oh, no wahala, my dear. I understand. I know that the economy is biting hard on everyone. You can give me your number, sir. I can try and reach out to you later on, and we can talk more.
All right, Mr. Tom. Here's my phone. Please be careful. It's an iPhone 15. Be careful with the phone, please.
Oh, my dear, you don't need to worry. Do you know how many iPhones I have? I have at least like 3 iPhones in the house right now that I'm even charging. If you like, I can even dash you one.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Tom. But really, I don't need any extra iPhone now. I better just quickly enter your number so I can be on my way.
My dear, you don't need to worry. Like I told you before, I am the biggest boy in this estate. You don't need to worry at all. Hey!
Photo.
My God! Hi! Since that guy just passed me now, you start rob me.
No be juju be that.
Abeg, Oga, where do you think you are going to? Please, oh, before you run anywhere, please give me my phone first.
May God not allow them
my
to
dear,
kill you.
you see that guy we just dey run now? That guy just sneak come, just snatch the phone from hand. Abeg, man quickly pursue am, make me collect the phone back.
Oh, Mr. Tom, I can see say you and that guy una plan to snatch my iPhone 15, abi? No wahala. Today don't enter one chance. Police, oh, police, abeg make una come, oh.
Yes, young lady, what's going on here?
Officer, thank God you guys are here.
Think say they
See,
wise.
I gave this guy phone, my iPhone 15, just for him to put his number. I don't know that he was planning with some of his friends to come and snatch the phone and run away. Now he wants me to let him go to pursue them.
No need to talk much, my dear. Oh yeah, Mr. Tom, you know as they go. From here straight now back to station.
They have
There you go,
left
explain
you.
yourself. How you take know that guy? Hi, God, this kind wahala be all this one now. Which kind wahala can't be all this one?
Thank you very much, my country people. I'm glad you enjoyed our program. Please hit like and subscribe to support our cause.